Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone won't stop vibrating. Your iPhone keeps vibrating and you're not sure why. Sometimes it will vibrate randomly for no reason at all. In this video I'll explain what to do when your iPhone won't stop vibrating. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is to start your iPhone. The first thing to do when your iPhone won't stop vibrating is to turn it off and back on. Restarting your iPhone is common fix for minor software problems. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. Is your iPhone frozen and vibrating? If your iPhone won't stop vibrating and it's frozen, you will have to hard reset your iPhone instead of turning it off the usual way. A hard reset forces your iPhone to quickly turn off and back on, which can fix minor software problems such as when your iPhone freezes. To hard reset on your iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Shutdown and then slide to power off and then wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is close all open iPhone apps. An app could be malfunctioning or sending you notifications in the background on your iPhone, causing it to continuously vibrate. By closing all of the apps on your iPhone, you can fix a potential software problem they are causing. Before you can close the all apps on your iPhone, you will have to open the app switcher. To do this, double press the home button or swipe up from the bottom to the center of the screen. Now that you are in the app switcher, close your apps by swiping them up of the screen. And you are done. And the next step is check for a software update. If you are running an outdated version of iOS, it could be the reason why your iPhone won't stop vibrating. To check for a software update, open the Settings app, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is turn off all vibrations on iPhone. Did you know there is a way to turn off all vibrations on iPhone? For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility and then tap on Touch option. Now scroll down. You can turn off all vibration for good by turning off the switch next to vibration. Won't address to real reason why your iPhone won't stop vibration. The problem is probably start occurring again as soon as you turn vibration back on. This is the equivalent of putting a band-aid on a cut that really needs stitches and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone won't stop vibrating, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.